Okay, Tyler, we're gonna say hi. This is to all our friends and family. Say hello to the people. Hello, people. Tell them, say I'm hanging with Mr. Blue today. Yes, I am. Okay, well, I want to let people know, family, who are concerned about Tyler. Tyler's still kicking. Well, he's not kicking from the back, but as you could see, if you could see, no, you can't see. Yeah, his legs, he lost feeling in his legs, but his front legs are still good. See, Tyler, look at the people, talk to the people. Okay, but basically, I think the most important thing, besides trying to feed him, more than anything, is the water. So what we do here, you know, we kind of get him interested. We go like this, because he can't see real good. We go just like this. We put it on his nose. See, and then what he does is he licks. Lick for the people. Lick. Come on, you're making me look stupid. Come on, we don't have all day. See? Okay. Well, anyway, I already gave him some water. What we do is we put it on his nose, and then he licks. See? See? Lick. Lick for the people. Lick for the people. Come on. Okay. And then he gets interested, and then what I do, and then I put the water right under his jaw, just like this, and then we make some music. Yeah, music with the water. We make music. Yeah, we make a lot of noise while we do. See? And then he gets interested. Interested? Tell the people. Tyler, tell the people. Say you're very interested. Tell them. Tell them. Come on, lick for once. Come on. Alright, well, you know what? I guess we're going to have to cut this short because he's not interested now, and I got to turn this off.